Good morning. My name is Baron Kruger. Everyone calls me Barry. I'm 60 years old. I'm married. My work history is I am a trained mechanical fitter and I did my trade test with Sasol Petrochemical Factory. I joined Petro SA after I resigned at Sasol, and I was there for 5 years. I rejoined Sasol, and after 22 years service I left, and I was self-employed for 2 years. I also did Sasol contracts at Sasol Turbo Services for quite a time, on and off. I did a little bit of mechanical work at Loods Transport. I did plumbing, building, general maintenance and tiling on the sideline for quite a long time as a private work. I got some farming experience. I grew up on a chicken farm. I worked on a sheep farm in the Eastern Cape. We did sheep handling, dipping, dosing in and inoculating. I worked on a fruit farm in Limpopo, Avo Farm, fruit picking and fruit handling, and we did packing as well. Thank you so much. Bye.